Okay, 720 says use the rectangle at the right to find. So here's a rectangle. They give us these, actually it's 4 rectangles. They give us some dimensions. Find the area of the entire rectangle. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. I could find the area of all 4 and add them up, or I could just say that what I really have is this rectangle that's 10, right? 6 plus 4 by 17. I think that's easier. So for A, I'm just going to take the area equals, length times width. So the area equals 17 times 10. So the area equals 170 units squared. Okay, so that's how I calculate the area. Again, you could take, find the area of this one, and then find the area of this one, find the area of this one, and the area of this one, and add all 4 together, but that seems like it's going to take a little more time. Okay, and then B says calculate the perimeter, and perimeter is, all the sides added up. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, or length plus width plus width. So the perimeter comes out to be 2 times 17 plus 2 times 10. So that equals 34 plus 20. So the perimeter comes out to be 54 units. And again, if no units are given, use U so that you can show that it's units and units squared.